Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
You see, let me tell you, Nigeria has a lot to learn from Igbo. A lot has been spoken about Igbo. They are unruly, they are this. But if you want to talk about the people who have acted truly like Nigerians, though Nigerians are taking them for granted, it is the Igbo people. They are the people that can live in every part of Nigeria, still build there, not minding that their properties are being destroyed, that other Nigerians are looking for opportunities to destroy what they have. Meanwhile, I'm not encouraging Igbo people to build anywhere again. I'm encouraging them to build in an Igbo. Yes. But that is not what I want to talk about now. Recently, about a few days ago, we saw children who were brought to court. Some of them, most of them minors. They say they have been detained for 90 days because they protested against the president during the End Hunger protest. Look at those children, look at them. They said they were bailed. I don't know whether they have been bailed or, and they have been kept based on what we had for 90 days. Can you imagine? Because they protested against Tinubu. They were hungry. And Nigeria should be talking about how to rehabilitate them, make them feed well. Now, but what I want you to take from what happened, do you notice that the Igbo people were the most vocal in condemning the condition of their children? We were the most vocal. Igbo people do not take nonsense from anybody, whether the person is Igbo or not. When an Igbo man does something wrong in Nigeria, Igbo people will come out. They'll be the first people to criticize the Igbo man. In this case too, Igbo people were the most vocal, saying what was being done to the children is wrong. But what happened? A lot of times I have seen people bring the Kwachioko Biafra pictures of our children during the Biafra war. They use it to taunt us. Kwachioko people, Kwachioko people. They don't feel any sense of remorse on what happened to the people of the Southeast. Rather than say, sorry, Nigeria did something bad against you by blocking food coming to the region, they use it to taunt us. What has happened to these minors are nothing near to be compared to what happened to the children of Biafra. But Igbo people are already feeling sympathy for these minors. If this is what you learn from the Igbo people, learn. Nigerians has a lot to learn from the Igbo people. Nigerians have a lot to learn. That is just my message this time. Forget the mockeries who are deceiving you. Learn from the Igbo people. There is a lot to learn, not just this. There are many things to learn. At your own benefit, if you want to. If you don't want to, at your own peril. That's just what I want to say this afternoon. Thanks for watching. Please share this video widely.